Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. We have been talking about all these dimensions that are so important in the life of the messenger when it comes to the relationship with people and the relationship with things that could be perceived as negative in his life. And we spoke about two things. First, this rejection that he was facing in his own tribe and in his own community. And the other thing is intimately this doubting himself and having the feeling that he was left by God and that he had to find his way. And then these two negative or perceived as negative, because in fact they are not. They are perceived as negative, but they help the Prophet ﷺ to find his way, and for also the community afterward to find its strength. Now there is something when it comes to the life of the Prophet ﷺ, we understand that there is a sign here that before he was the messenger, he got the response coming from Jibril alayhi salam. He married a woman, Khadija radiallahu anha, who had an instrumental, central role, a critical role to play in his life. And she was with him. She introduced him to Waraqa ibn Nawfal, her own cousin. And he was the one who told him, you are going to be rejected. You are going to be attacked by your own people. They are going to refuse your message, as they did with all the previous messengers. He got this from her, but what was very important is that when he got the first revelation, remember, when he didn't know, is it coming from God or is it coming from the devil? Who is sending this? And he went back home. Zammiluni, Zammiluni, cover me, cover me. And the one who was there was his wife. And his wife was there, and she protected him. First by showing her trust as to his qualities, the way he was with poor people, with the family, all the characteristics, the character of the messenger. But not only, she also was very clearly a sign of protection in the way she was dealing. And then we come to the verse of the Quran saying, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا. And among his sign, and he created from you the spouse, the other, your husband and your wife, in order for you to get this protection, get this second, this 12, where you will find a kind of a home where you are protected. And she was really, truly implementing the very essence of the verse, saying, "Hunna libasun lakum." They are, women are protection for you. Your wife are protection as much as you are protection for her. And she played this role from day one. And she was with him. And the only one from whom Aisha radiallahu anha was jealous was Khadija, because she played a so critical role for 25 years with him. And then we understand here that in our spiritual journey, we are alone. It's an intimate, personal journey, but still we have people around us, our husband, our wife, the family. We are fasting. It's a very personal experience, yet it's important to know that people around you, your husband, your wife, are protecting you, are supporting you, your family. This is a family experience as much as it is in the individual experience. The month of Ramadan is the month of family. Never forget that, because this is where, as Muslims, we get the very essence of our message, inshallah. Never forget to tell the people you love that you love them, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
لا